Some time ago, a Chinese company named Koolnee unveiled their new smartphones. I will figure you will say it's just another Chinese smartphone, but this smartphone has a unique design and looks and feel like Samsung Galaxy S8. Also, the price is impressive. What's up guys, Okohola here, and today I show you the Koolnee K1 Trio. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to see the latest news. Koolnee K1 Trio smartphone comes with a very new features, nice design, high specs, and above that the price starts from £249. This phone, it looks like Samsung Galaxy S8, but it feels very nice in hand. On the front we have a Gorilla Glass curved screen. This is almost no bezel screen and enables a stunning 90% screen to body ratio. The front is as usual dominated by the screen along with the selfie camera, earpiece and the usual area sensors. Screen has Gorilla Glass with rounded screen corners. The curves makes this phone easy to hold and facilitates smooth operation. Screen comes with 6-inch Full HD+, 2160x1080p resolution and 18.9 body ratio. This screen is bright and has vibrant colors. At the top we find an 8MP with f2.2 aperture camera with face recognition. At the bottom we find the home button. On the back we can find a dual lens Sony camera with 16+2MP, and below that is the flash LED. The back panel also has a centrally placed fingerprint sensor. At the bottom we find the microUSB charging port. I fail to understand why he did not have an USB-C port. Also we find the 3.5 headphone jack and the speaker. On the right side is the power button, while the left side has the volume rocker, and the top we can find the SIM slot. There is a dual SIM model, and the second slot can also be used to upgrade the memory. This phone has quality body, made completely of glass and has aluminum frame. This phone looks and feels same as Galaxy S8. In the package you will find a transparent case cover, USB cable, a power brick and a glass screen protector. You will not find any headphones. With this smartphone you can make very good pictures and you will be able to run the latest games. All applications run smoothly and I did not see any delay. Fingerprint scanner unlocks your phone very fast. The face recognition is also good and can unlock your phone even if you use glasses. Debuting along with the Koolnee K1 Trio MT6763 octa-core processor, Koolnee K1 has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. This device runs Android 7.1 Nougat. Has a 4200 mAh battery that easily stands for more than a day of average use. That includes playing games. Koolnee K1 Trio comes with a dual rear camera setup of 16MP plus 2MP sensors. The primary 60MP sensor has a f2.2 aperture. On the front is the 8MP camera. This front camera comes equipped with Face Beauty 7.0. The colors are sharp and true to actual shades. The bokeh effect was also on, where the camera was able to completely focus on the foreground. At the final, the Koolnee K1 Trio is a great budget phone. It has powerful processor and a good camera. The Full HD Plus display with 18.9 body ratio has bright colors, but in some cases, in the sunlight this screen becomes unclear. The device comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage that can be upgraded up to 256GB with microSD. The price starts at £249, which is a good price. You can order on Amazon.co.uk. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to see the latest videos. Well, till the next time, see you. Bye bye.